There are levels to making or not making money. Let me try to explain it. For every person who is making money or not making any money at all, there are things they are doing to be in that state. And these things date as far back as creation itself, depending on which creation story you believe in. It aligns with everything. And today I want to talk about that. It just might blow your mind. So stick around and do me one simple favor, subscribe to the channel. Each subscription gasses us up to ship better content. All right, let's start reverse engineering how money is made. This is the only video I'll make at this point in my life that is worth watching, from the person in the trenches to the richest person on the planet. That is a big statement to make. So watch to the end and let me know if I'm right. All right, so the person who is not making money, what are they doing? This person is basically doing nothing. That's it. Very simple. You thought it is going to be complicated. It is not. The person who is not making money is not doing anything that is worth paying for, which brings us to level 2 of making money. These are people who exchange their manpower. You exchange your energy for money. These people make survival kind of money. You are pretty much like a slave. You work to earn money which might not even be enough to sustain you. You want to avoid that. Which brings us to level 3. Level 3 of making money. These are people who exchange time and energy for money. You work from 9 to 5 and get paid. At this level, people make money but hardly become rich. So if you are exchanging your energy, that is limited. Your energy is limited. You're not a machine. With time, your time is limited. You have 24 hours and you don't have 24 hours when you think about it, because you have to sleep. So you are exchanging two limited resources to get limited income. If you're exchanging a limited resource, it is almost impossible. It is actually impossible to make limited resources. In other words, your money is going to be limited. At this level, it is still hard to become rich. So if you want, I'm not teaching you how to become rich. I'm just reverse engineering how money is made so you can make a conscious decision, right? So that is level 3. At level 3, you're exchanging time, a limited resource, and your energy, still a limited resource. And by the laws of the land, you're going to get limited money. You work 9 to 5 and get paid a salary, right? You can't work 24 hours because you have to sleep. No company would even allow that, right? So in other words, you are limited at how much you can make. This level is good for survival and thriving. You can be a lawyer, you can be a good accountant and make good money and buy a house and live a comfortable life. Now, what is level 4? Level 4 is where riches are made. How? Communication. Communication, purely. How? Talking. You're not exchanging a limited resource for money. How? Writing is communication and so is speaking. Speakers would make the amount you make in a year in just 1 hour. Insane amounts, right? If a person at level 3 can buy a house, a person at level 4 who has mastered communication can buy a house every year. You write a book once and it keeps bringing money. You exchange your creativity in communication for money. That is unlimited. How? You can write as many books as you want and charge as much money as you want. You can make as many talks as you want and charge as much money as you want. You can make fewer content, for example, on YouTube, and make as much money as you want. Kids killing it on TikTok and YouTube. How? By just communication. Try hiring my friend Vosi Tembekwayo for a 30-minute keynote speech and tell me how much he'll charge you. In 30 minutes, he can make what others make in a year. Why? He's not exchanging his time, effort, or money. No. People who have mastered communication can rack in as much as they want and are doing it. So is that the tip of the pyramid? No. There are more levels to this thing. Level 5. Level 5 is where insane amounts of money is made. I call level 5 the God level. At this level, you dominate. Level 4, you subdue the world, you rule. At level 5, you dominate worlds. I'm talking about Elon Musk levels, where you transcend Earth and want to rule Mars. What? Yes, these are guys who don't have limits. Steve Jobs, Wright brothers, these are people who imagine worlds out of nothing. These people can make as much money as they can be made. But one thing is consistent with all the levels is you have to execute, imagining things that are feasible and seeing them through. It is one thing writing or speaking, because I've seen better writers than me, but they are not writing. So everything is down to execution, to action. You have to take action. If you don't take action, well, you can't be on any of these levels I've mentioned about. But again, this video is not about how to make money. It is about how money is made at different levels. If you want to know how accountants, lawyers, and what have you make their own money, go consult with them. This video is supposed to open your eye to where you are and where you want to be. So if where you are is where you want to be, focus on that. But if you want to go on a different level, now at least you have an insight into what you have to do to reach that level. I hope I reverse engineered it well for you to understand and to help another person understand it as well. Do me one favor, subscribe to the channel to help me ship more and better content than this, and also to help another friend, share with them. I'm Gideon, your copywriter and marketing consultant. If you need my services or you want to talk to me one-on-one, visit this website or the link in the description below, and let's have a chat and see how I can help you. And as always, stay close to the one that loves you the most.